You're welcome back to my channel. I know you are ready to make some money with the biggest airdrop that's happening in 2023. Don't worry, you are at the right place. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you exactly how to be eligible for the Starknet airdrop, which could potentially earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars within a short period of time. So if you're new to the world of airdrops and crypto, don't worry, I got you covered on this channel. In fact, in this tutorial is just one part of comprehensive airdrop educational series. So if you're looking to make some extra cash on the side, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and check other airdrop tutorial videos I've done on this channel. Do you know the best part about airdrop? There's nothing to lose. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started and learn how to be eligible for the Starknet airdrop. Alright, we are here on my desktop screen. So I'll be taking you on the tutorial guide and I will make it more easier and simpler for us. I won't be rushing. And this for the sake of those of us who are beginners, who don't really who are not familiar with the crypto ecosystem. So making it more easier by making sure I show you every step by step on how it's done. All right, then I'm so sorry you might not be seeing my face clearly here. I don't have enough light tonight. I don't have time setting up my light, so let's go into action. Step 1 is to set up your MetaMask wallet and fund it with some Ethereum. Reason you are funding it with some Ethereum is because you'll be needing the Ethereum to execute some transaction on the ecosystem. Now the reason is because those transactions you're doing within that place will make you be eligible to participate on the airdrop. All right. So once you've done that, and in case you don't know how to set up your MetaMask, I did the tutorial guide. Of course, is on our YouTube channel. So if you visit Gibeni on YouTube, then check out the tutorial guide here and the completion here, and start immediately. It's just to set it on your Chrome extension. Then step 2 is for you to set up your Starknet wallet, and my best choice is this Agent X. Now I'll be clicking on this link and it will take us to the place. All right, so it will take you to a website where you can now download. The same way you install this on your Chrome extension, it's still the same way you will do this wallet, the Starknet wallet, all right, which is Agent X. Now reason why is because MetaMask with Starknet network are not compatible with Ethereum virtual machine, which is EVM. So EVM, so that is why you have to set it up. So in terms of bridging, you will need the bots for you to bridge in the platform. All right, so come here when you've opened the link, and I'm so sorry in case you are a bit confused. Don't worry, this PDF is already on our Telegram channel, so do well to join the Telegram channel so you can get first-hand information of whatever thing that is happening in the crypto industry. And at the same time, I'll be dropping all the links on the description of this video. All right, so you set it up. I am also using our Brave wallet, so you can choose anyone: Chrome extension, Mozilla Firefox. If you click on this place now, it will take you to the place to install. All right, so you go down here, install. So I've already installed. I don't need to install again, except I want to remove mine. So once you've done that, that will take us to the next step, and the next step is for you to bridge to transfer Ether from Ethereum to Starknet mainnet. Now it is a mainnet, not the testnet. You know, after creation, when you created this wallet, you will see it on testnet. The moment you created your wallet, you set up your wallet, you chose testnet. Please make sure you bring it down to mainnet before doing any transaction on the platform. All right, so once you've done that, it's for you now to go and bridge. So what you will do is to bridge Ether from Ethereum to the Starknet. That is this particular one. But though I've done all this, I'll just show you the processes. All right, so I'm opening it. I'm clicking this link. The link is also on the description. All right, so it opens. Now if you're using a Chrome browser, there is always a continuation button here, and then you see the bridge and other stuffs on the website. You look at it, Starknet mainnet, you look at it. So this is not a gorilla, so it's on the mainnet. All right, so once you've come to this place and you did not see any place to click on that display, just come to the discover apps, click on this apps. Oh, my network. All right, it's back. So when you click on the discover apps, it will bring you to this place. You can see everything. I do recommend you go through this. All you need to see that is under our Starknet network. You can see a lot of projects already here. So I'll be doing a video about Starkwell and telling you the future behind them and what you should be expecting later on. But when you come to this place, don't click on ecosystem, not academy, not jobs, not matrix, not apply, except you want to apply for anything, or if you want to go to the academy section to know more about, or you want to apply for a job, if you have any, you can as well visit those ones. But you are coming to bridge because you're participating for the airdrop. You want to participate or to be eligible for the airdrop. So now this is the place you connect both Ethereum and the Starknet. So you assume you will have the two wallets set up on your Chrome. So what you will do is to connect your Ethereum wallets using MetaMask. All right, so once this is done, error code occur. Sorry, it could be network. Oh, so sorry. It pops up sometimes. Now I've connected the other one. It's now remaining this to connect. I guess there should be a little problem here. I have to look for another browser to use. In case you notice this stuff, please check another browser and then use it then. So what you will do is to transfer some Ethereum to this Starknet, a little or any amount at all. You can also withdraw anytime you want. So once you connect you show this way, just like this one here. So I don't know why this is really disturbing now. But I connected this few minutes ago. Why? Okay, I think they both connected now. Yes, so they've both connected now. So what you will do is to transfer some Ethereum to this place. So you can transfer by using any amount you want. We could do 0.1000, any amount, 0, 1 or 2 or 5 or 6, any amount. Then you click transfer. It will come to you within some minutes. You will receive it on this place. All right, once some minutes or some seconds. Once you click on transfer, you get notification or pop up within this angle. Then you click confirm. You scroll down, click confirm. Then you continue. Then once you've done that, you will do the step 4. Now the step 4 is for you to try the top decentralized exchanges on the Starknet. All right. As usual, they have the easiest dApps, or there are a lot of dApps that are already built, but I picked these 3. Now one is this myswap.xyz, which I mentioned on the video you watched on TikTok, Facebook or Instagram, depending on the place. So what you just do is to utilize any of them. Yeah, so you go to the exchange, you use Ethereum for USDT and then provide pool liquidity there. So what you will just do is come to this place. You understand, is already connected. You should have some of the token. All right, so you come here, select USDT second, then now you put the amount you want to send. All right, so any amount you want to send. Once you have done that, you click confirm. Then you now come to liquidity pool, select the same token again the same way, come down here, then you click enter amounts and then you continue from there. It's very simple. You can do it. Once you've done, you put the amount you want to provide. After you've swapped this one, after you do some swap for this, so you should have some balance here, because we're using both of them for the same place. All right, so you can do it. You can withdraw them immediately after doing that. You can also do it within these 3 exchanges, just depending on the amount you have. Then if after which you come down to step 5, and the step 5 is to try the NFT marketplace. So to make sure you use this, maybe use Main Square instead of Starknet, Textnet. Make sure you are minting NFT on this marketplace, then buy some super cheap NFT from the same place. So you can check this out or check this one. The 2 things you're coming here to do is to mint and also to buy. All right, So what you will do is to connect. This is already connected. All right, so we have buy and sell. We can have buy here and buy sell. So when you mean by you want to buy some NFTs here, all right, so go down, check all of them. Anyone that is cheap, buy. You can still sell instantly. Then you want to sell, you have to mint your own. All right, so this is actually mine, so I actually did this. All right, so you can just, when you come to this place, you see create, then create and then publish. Then what next thing you also need to do is to come down to this place, testnet.id. All these things you are doing is just to be recognized in the system, so that your name will be published. Then if in case you do not were able to do this initially, you can also come down here, come to this place to register your ID. Almost all the airdrops recently do this. So you come down to launch app network. It's coming. You type in, you connect your wallet first. That is connected. You type in the name, like I've already registered my Gibeni. Then you click on identities. All right, once it pops up, you've registered your name, and that is all. So always make sure, because once it does, you have to connect you back here, charge you some little fees again, and because it's already on mainnet as well. So once you've done that, you also get this on this place. All right, you can also get this here. All right, so this is basically how to go about the Starknet airdrop a participation. So if you can do all these things, you should be eligible for it, and you have a chance of making over 2,000 3,000 depending on airdrop and the way it goes and the way they choose to do it. All right, so I just did this tutorial to make sure I put you through. Do well to study this and ask questions on the Telegram if you have other questions, and use the comment section as well. So if you want me to be making more of these videos like this one, please do well to drop your comment, or if you have any video you want me to make or you want me to talk about, use the comment section, drop it there. I will always reply you. And also follow me on social media. Check the description, you will see all the social media handle. I'm also active on those places, and I'll be available for you at all time. I'm here to serve. All right, so guys, see you at the top. My name is Gibeni. Are you excited about the Starknet airdrop tutorial? You should be. And the good news is, qualified isn't difficult at all. With just a little bit of effort, you can make yourself eligible for the amazing opportunity without having put in your hard-earned money into risk. So to encourage me to make more videos like this one, hit the subscription button. If you've done that, kudos. Hit the bell button. You know why? You always get notification whenever I've dropped my content, because we're here to make money together. I want to see you at the top. My name is Gibeni. See you on my next video.